Alright, we're up to our mixed bag review. Second question here, expand and simplify. I gave you a pretty nice one again here. Remember, there's a couple of ways we can do it, but what are we really doing when we're expanding brackets? We're just taking every term in the first bracket and multiplying it by every term in the second bracket. That's the best principle to remember. That way it doesn't matter if we've got 3 or 4 terms in one of the brackets, we still follow the same thing. Memorizing something like FOIL, whilst it works in a specific case, doesn't work in every case. So I like to work with general principles that'll always work. A couple of ways you can show you're working. We can just sort of show little arrows to keep track of what you have and haven't done. That's one way to do it. It's pretty convenient when there's not too many things. The other way, of course, is just to say, well, the 5x needs to multiply the 2x plus 1. And this negative 2 needs to multiply the 2x plus 1. And you can write it either way. I don't really mind. You don't need to put that line in. You can go straight to this next line. I generally won't put that line in, but if it's something that you sometimes mix up, that's a good way of setting out your working. Just take the first term, multiply it by the second bracket. Second term, multiply it by the second bracket. Hard to go wrong that way. Now we do our expansion. 5x by 2x is 10x squared. 5x by 1 is 5x. Negative 2 by 2x is negative 4x. Negative 2 by 1 is negative 2. What are we left with? 10x squared. Remember, we can only add or subtract like terms. 5x and negative 4x are like terms. I've got 5 of them. I take away 4 of them. I'm left with just one of them. 10x squared plus x minus 2. And we're done. How easy was that? Catch you in the next one, guys.